Welcome students, welcome all biology students in the 11th standard. You have studied the topic Kingdom Animalia. Now we are going to study the topic animal tissues. Before that I will introduce myself. Mrs. Uma Hingamire, Biology Department. Now we are going to study in this year the subject biology. The first of all, the 10th topic of our syllabus is animal tissues. So students, first you have to tell me what is cell. What is cell? Cell म्हणजे काय आहे हे तुम्ही 10वी पर्यंत शिकलेला आहात. तर सेल हे काय आहे? The basic structural and functional unit of life. So first, if the question is asked for 1 mark, you have to write the definition. What is definition? The basic structural and functional unit of life. Basic structural and functional unit of life. Unit of life is called as the cell. Then what is tissue? Tissue म्हणजे काय? What is tissue? Tissue, it is the group of cells. Group of cells. Which cells? Which cells? The cells which are similar in their structure and functions. The group of cells having similar origin. Group of cells having similar origin, then structure, origin, structure and function. The group of cells having similar origin, structure and function is called as tissue. Now, from the tissues together forms the organs and various organs together forms the system. Such a various system together forms the body. So, first basic unit is cell. Various or different types of cells forms the tissues. Different tissues forms the organs and different organs together forms the organ system and organ systems together forms the body. So body of any animal, it is formed by these various organ systems. So in multicellular organisms, the structural organization is from cell, that is the basic unit. Cell forms the tissues. Similar group of cells which are similar in their origin and structure and function, they forms the tissues. Tissues forms the organs and organ forms the systems and systems together forms the body. Now next we are going to study what is histology. Histology means what? The study of histology, that is the branch of biology which deals with study of tissues. The branch of biology which deals with study of tissues, study of structure and arrangement of tissues. So in short we can say the study of tissue. Structure and arrangement of tissue is called as the histology. Now in the book we have some such a boxes, and in these boxes the important points or information is given. Now what is the histology we have completed, we have studied, but Who discovered this term histology? The father of histology is the scientist, which is nothing but father of histology. That is the Xavier Bichet. Xavier Bichet, he is called as the father of histology. First, the word histology or the concept histology is discovered by the scientist Xavier Bichet, and so he is called as the father of histology. So here we have studied about the cell, what is tissue, what is histology. Now we are going to study the types of tissues. Basic types of tissues. Which are these basic types of tissues? First we will study first, see here the types of tissues. They are mainly four basic types of tissues. First type, it is the epithelial tissue. These epithelial tissue, where they are present, they forms the outer surfaces of the body and also some organs, as well as the inner lining of hollow organs. It is formed by epithelial tissue. So the outer surfaces of body, organs and inner lining of different organs. They forms inner lining of hollow organs. जे ऑर्गन्स आतून पोकळ आहे अशांचं लाइनिंग तयार करतात आणि त्याचबरोबर आउटर सरफेसेस ऑफ बॉडी, इवन एपिडर्मिस, आवर स्किन, आउटर लेयर, it is nothing but the epithelial tissue. So outer surfaces, organs which are also the outer surfaces of organs and inner linings of hollow organs, they are formed by epithelium. So the main function of this tissue is the protection. Main function is protection. The outer surfaces of the body as well as organs, this epithelial tissue performs the function that is the protection. But the inner lining, the epithelial tissue of inner lining of organs, they mainly functions for the various functions like the secretion, absorption. What is meaning secretion? Secretion म्हणजे स्त्रावणे, स्त्राव तयार करणे. Absorption म्हणजे to absorb, शोषून घेणे. त्याचबरोबर ट्रान्सपोर्ट ऑफ गॅसेस, ट्रान्सपोर्ट हे सुद्धा त्याचं फंक्शन आहे. असे वेगवेगळे फंक्शन्स आहेत आणि त्याचबरोबर प्रोटेक्शन, इनर लाइनिंग also functions for the protection. So these are the different functions of epithelial tissue. So we are going to study the types of epithelium, that is the simple and compound epithelium. So in the next lecture or next video we will study about this epithelium. Second type, it is the connective tissue. Connective tissue. The name suggests connective means its function is the connection or binding. So it binds the different organs of the body together, different structures of the body together. So connection or binding, it is the main function of this tissue. So it is again of four types. First is the loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Mainly the adipose and areola. The two types, that is the adipose connective tissue and second is areolar connective tissue are the loose connective tissue. That is the matrix is loose. Cells are loosely arranged. So such a tissue is called as the loose connective tissue. Next is the connective tissue. The matrix is hard and it consists of mainly the bone and cartilage. Second is cartilage. So it is second type of tissue, that is the connective tissue. Third is mainly the fluid connective tissue. We can take lastly the fluid connective tissue, and before that the fibrous connective tissue. So fibrous connective tissue, which mainly consists of the tendons and ligaments. So it consists of white fibers, and it is called as a fibrous connective tissue, which consists of tendons and ligaments. The next is fluid connective tissue, which mainly fluid in nature, and it consists of different types of cells, but matrix is fluid. What are the different fluid connective tissues in our body? The blood and lymph. Blood and lymph are the two fluid connective tissues in our body. So this is the connective tissue. Mainly the function is connection or binding. Loose connective tissue, which consists of loose matrix. First is areolar. These are the two types. Then supporting connective tissue, that is the matrix is hard and they give support to the body. First is bone and second is cartilage. Third is fibrous connective tissue, that is the tendons and ligaments. And next is the fluid connective tissue, mainly the blood and lymph. The next type is the muscular tissues. The muscular tissue, the major type, third major type of tissue is the muscular type. It consists of different types of muscles. Now what is the first type? That is the skeletal muscles, or they are also called as the voluntary muscles. Skeletal or voluntary muscles. Then second type, that is the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles. Next is third, that is the cardiac muscles. So it consists of different types of muscles. We are going to study in detail the skeletal muscles, which are also called as the voluntary muscles, and they functions for the locomotion and movement of the body. Smooth muscles, mainly they are involuntary in function and they carry out different involuntary functions like the peristalsis, respiration, etc. Cardiac muscles, mainly they functions for the heart. They are present in the wall of heart and breathing. The heart, which is also the cardiac. It is also called as the cardiac function. So cardiac muscles, they are also involuntary in their action and they functions non-stop till the life. Throughout the life they functions. So they are present in the heart muscles. And last is the nervous tissue. शेवटचा जो टिश्यू आहे तो आहे nervous tissue. So this nervous tissue, it consists of mainly two types of cells. First is the basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system, that is called as the nerve cell or neuron. And second is the supporting cells. They are called as glial cells. They are also called as the neuroglial cells. So such a two types of cells. This is the special tissue for the conduction of impulses, conduction and transmission of impulses in the body. So first, nerve cell, which is the basic unit of the nervous system or nervous tissue, that is the neuron. And second, the glial cells, which mainly support to the nerve cells. So these are the two cells we are going to study. So these are the four basic types of tissues in the animals. Epithelial tissue, second is connective tissue, third that is the muscular tissues, and fourth it is the nervous tissue. So we have, in this video we have completed the types of tissues. In the next video we are going to study the epithelial tissue, characters of epithelial tissue as well as the classification of epithelial tissue.